Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today I am going to show you one uncommon but very powerful organic fertilizers that works really very well for most of the flowering plants. I am going to show you everything step by step along with the results. So let's take a look at the fertilizers that I am talking about. We need two different organic fertilizers and then we need to combine both of them at the time of applying. First one is Panchagabha. Basically it contains 5 different elements of cow and all those elements are cow dung, urine, milk, curd and ghee. All these elements are mixed in proper ratio and then allowed to ferment. The second element is fish amino acid. Please note that both products are available on Amazon and I will put the links in the description box. Again, please trust me, I am not at all promoting any brand in any of my videos. I am using them myself and only that's why I am recommending these products. Alright, let's see how to use them the right way. It's really easy to apply these fertilizers. First you need to take 1 liter water, then take 5 ml of fish amino acid and next take 20 ml of Panchagabha. That's it, mix it well and then we can apply on our plants. You may be wondering how much to apply. Alright, let me give you some examples. Let's say your plant is in a 6-inch of pot, so you can apply near about 250 ml to 300 ml for one plant. For one 8 to 10 inch of pot, you can slightly increase the amount of fertilizers. While applying this powerful organic fertilizer, you have to remember 3 very important things. First one is, once you apply it on any of your plant, you should not water the same plant for next 12 hours at least. On second, for better result, please try to apply once in 15 to 20 days. And on third, please avoid applying for any of your indoor plants because both smells really very bad. Here you can see that I am already applying the same fertilizers on some of my plants, and now let me inform you the names of the plants as well. So I have applied on my Erysimum, Verbena, Impatiens, Geranium, English Daisy, Candytuft and finally Vanadium. If you want, you can apply the same thing on your chrysanthemum as well. Alright, I am done with applying and it's time to see the results. So guys, here you can see that my plants are responding very well and they are also blooming nicely. Geraniums are also starting to bloom as you can see here, and just take a look at the plants, they are looking lush green and healthy. I forgot to inform you that I am using the same fertilizers for one of my rare variety of pansy. Now I know that you definitely have one question in your mind, and that is, Can I apply the same fertilizers on all the plants? The answer would be yes, definitely you can use it. It's 100% organic and there is no any side effect. But please also note that for some specific plants who need lots of care, for example roses, for that kind of plants I prefer to fertilize them in somewhat other way. Anyway, I already have videos about the fertilizers for some special plants, for example roses or even hibiscus. So guys, I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. In my next update, I am going to show you at least 5 different ways to fertilize your plants so that you can enjoy lots of flowers at your home. Till then, take care, enjoy, and thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.